Welcome to the Citra21 channel, your gateway for exciting and engaging content. Join us for an exciting journey. Subscribe for the latest video release. Today, we're setting our sights on one of the most sought-after topics in the digital era, making money online. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, blogging to e-commerce, we'll introduce you to 10 proven methods that successful individuals have used to generate income from the comfort of their own homes. So buckle up and stay tuned as we delve into the exciting world of making money online. First up, we have freelancing. It's a vast ocean of opportunities just waiting for you to dive in. Freelancing, in its essence, is selling your skills or talents to those who need them. It works on a project-by-project basis, allowing you the freedom to choose your clients and set your own rates. Now you might be wondering, what skills do I need to freelance? Well, it could be anything from graphic design, programming, writing, and so much more. The beauty of freelancing is that there's something for everyone, and the income, it's as varied as the skills on offer. Some freelancers earn a modest side income, while others rake in a six-figure salary. It all depends on your skill level, the demand for your services, and, of course, how much time you're willing to invest. So if you have a skill or talent, freelancing might just be the ticket for you. Next up, we have affiliate marketing, a lucrative method to earn online. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? Picture yourself as a bridge between a consumer and a product or service. As an affiliate marketer, you promote these products or services to your audience. When a purchase is made through your unique link, voila, you earn a commission. Let's break it down a bit more. Say you're a fitness enthusiast and run a blog about healthy living. You could partner with a company that sells fitness gear, promote their products in your blog posts, and earn a commission every time a sale is made through your unique link. It's about creating that win-win situation for all. The consumer discovers a product they might love, the company gains a sale, and you, the affiliate marketer, earn a commission. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere in the world at any time. Remember, your unique affiliate link is your ticket to earning commissions. Creating engaging content on blogs or YouTube could be your goldmine. It's no secret that captivating content is the key to attracting an audience. However, it's not just about creating content, it's about monetizing it. So how do you do that? Well, the two primary ways to monetize your platform are ads and sponsorships. For ads, you can sign up with advertising networks that will pay you based on the number of views or clicks your content receives. Think of it as renting out space on your platform for advertisers to showcase their products or services. Sponsorships, on the other hand, are more direct. Companies pay you to promote their products or services within your content. It's a win-win situation. They get exposure and you get paid. But remember, the key to successful monetization is a loyal and engaged audience. And how do you build that? By consistently delivering high-quality, valuable content. Remember, your content is your currency in the digital world. Are you an expert in a particular field? Then online coaching or consulting might be for you. In today's digital age, sharing knowledge is as easy as clicking a button. With platforms like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, you can connect with clients from all corners of the globe, right from the comfort of your home. So how do you go about it? Start by identifying your area of expertise. It could be anything from business strategies, personal development, health and fitness, to language learning. Next, set up your online platform. There are numerous tools available that can help you schedule sessions, handle payments, and manage client relationships. Now, to monetize your services, you can opt for one-on-one sessions or group coaching classes. You can even create online courses that clients can access at their own pace. The key is to deliver value that's worth every penny of your client's investment. If you have valuable expertise, it's time to share it with the world and earn from it. Welcome to the dynamic world of e-commerce. This is an arena where you can bring your products directly to customers, no matter where they are. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage finds, or even digital products, e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own personal website serve as your global storefront. Now, let's talk potential earnings. The beauty of e-commerce is that it's scalable. With a solid product and a well-executed marketing strategy, you could start seeing substantial profits in no time. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. You'll need to navigate shipping logistics and customer service, but the rewards can be significant. And the best part, you don't need a brick-and-mortar store. Your online shop is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, reaching customers far and wide. So, dust off that product idea, research your market, and get ready to join the vibrant e-commerce community. Remember, in the world of e-commerce, there's a market for almost anything. Your opinions matter, and companies are willing to pay for them. Let's delve into the world of online surveys and market research. This method of earning online is as simple as it sounds. Various companies around the globe are constantly seeking feedback on their products and services. They're eager to understand consumer preferences, behaviors, and trends, and they're willing to pay for this valuable information. Here's where online surveys and market research come into play. You sign up on a survey platform, answer a few questions, and voila, you get paid. The questions may range from your shopping habits to views on certain products or even societal issues. But remember, honesty is the best policy. Your genuine responses help companies improve their offerings, shaping the future of the marketplace. And the best part? You get to earn from the comfort of your own home, at your own pace. Your opinions can be your earning tool. Start sharing them today. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, or real estate can be a game changer. Now let's dive into the world of investments. Investing is essentially putting your money to work for you. It's about making strategic choices that will give you returns over time. And when it comes to online investments, stocks, cryptocurrency, and real estate are three areas that have shown great potential. Let's start with stocks. Stock investing is about buying a piece of a company. When the company does well, so do you. The stock market can be volatile, but over the long term, it has historically provided substantial returns. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio can help spread the risk. Next on our list is cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency. Cryptocurrency has been making waves in the world of investments. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple are some of the popular ones. Cryptocurrency operates on technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manage and record transactions. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky due to its volatility, but it also has the potential for high returns. And finally, we have real estate. While this might not seem like an online method, with the rise of real estate crowdfunding platforms, you can now invest in property from the comfort of your home. These platforms allow you to invest in commercial or residential properties, and you earn returns in the form of rental income or when the property appreciates in value. Investing in these areas requires a good understanding of the market, trends, and risks involved. It's crucial to do your homework and maybe even consult with a financial advisor. Remember, the goal is not to get rich quick, but to build wealth over time. And, of course, the golden rule of investing: never invest more than you can afford to lose. This helps to keep your financial health intact even if your investments don't pan out as expected. With proper research and guidance, your investments could be your ticket to financial freedom. After all, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. That's all, folks. Our top 10 proven methods for making money online. We've explored the freelance market, dived into affiliate marketing, and gotten creative with blogging and YouTube. We've shared insights into online coaching and consulting and delved into the vast world of e-commerce. We've highlighted the value of your opinion in online surveys and market research. And finally, we've navigated the exciting realm of investing. An online income is attainable, and these methods are your roadmap. Don't forget to subscribe and share while still free for public. Thanks for watching Citra21 Channel.